Holy. Oh,
Owner of the truck, stop.
Yo,
Owner of the
fuck that,
vehicle,
yo.
stop the vehicle, stop the vehicle.
Let's go.
Get in. Oh my
There we
god,
go.
we're chasing this fucking piece of shit.
Oh my god.
Jimmy's +2% of a cherry red truck heading south away from Union City.
Glitch Fitch, the
Try to keep an eye on him, see if
things.
he does any turns or anything.
Glitch Fish. If I ever get another fish, that would be the name of it. Glitch Fish. Okay, so we're basically patrolling in a golf cart. I mean, let's be honest.
Pretty much.
I mean, that's the basis of it right there.
He went straight. He's heading toward the airport.
It's not frosty.
Oh, no. Never mind. This isn't the airport. He's probably going to jump in the water. Probably has a dive suit, so,
Yeah, I saw one with the dive suit for sure.
Is that a boat?
Is that a boat? That's a boat, yeah.
That's a boat.
Oh, this is gonna be a good jump. Oh, shit! Do they have like a boat getaway or something?
I don't know. This is about to be a legit thing.
We don't have a fucking boat. I have enough
Shit.
money for one.
Pull over the vehicle.
Pull over the vehicle!
Stop the vehicle.
Robbery is in Union City.
Shit. Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
It's all good. Just keep on his tail. If you keep sight of him, we know where he's going. Oh, 1050, 1050 in the water.
Oh, they took 10-7.
Jake, oh no, thank god we have
That
another
was
cop.
so close.
It's fucking intense.
Holy shit. I don't see the boat anymore.
Pull over the vehicle.
Pull over the... Oh, they can't hear me. Hearing the film episodes of Cops. Yeah, that's what we wanted to do. That was a plan. And a Super Trooper style PD versus Sheriff's Office kind of friendly rivalry, you know?
Told you guys I'm a good driver.
Yeah.
MLG.
MLG, MVP.
We got this, dude. We got. Watch for that boat. Make sure he's not going up
Yo.
the shore.
Pull over
Pull
the
over.
vehicle.
Oh shit.
This guy is going up the hill. Oh my god.
Oh!
Did it?
We're good.
Boom! Yes.
Oh!
We're good. Let's go, babe.
Kinda good. Where'd they go?
They 1050. I just heard it. 1050. Oh no, never mind. It's like on the wall.
They really just bring us to Rebel.
Probably. Oh Jesus Christ! I haven't been here all day today, so.
I see them, they just left.
Maybe that's right.
Head east here, left. Yeah.
The most intense police chase ever.
Oh my god. Hey Fab, what's up? Best police chase ever, no shit. Looks like them Duke boys.
Car is damaged, by the way. Just putting this out there.
Oh god.
Oh my god, we already go slow and now the car is damaged.
Yeah, I have no idea where they went.
If it was in the
It's alright.
Subi, they would have been caught. Going back to